In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Microsoft Teams. Easy integration. By the end, you'll have the Microsoft Teams app added to your Slack workspace, so you can easily start or join Teams calls right from Slack. I'll keep things clear and straightforward, and I'll point out a few tips along the way. Start in Slack on the Home view. You can do this in the desktop app or in a browser. The layout is the same where it counts. Look to the left sidebar for the section labeled Apps. That's where Slack keeps all your installed integrations and where we'll go to find Microsoft Teams. Now, right-click on the word Apps in the sidebar. If you're on a Mac trackpad, a two-finger click or holding Control while clicking does the same thing. A small menu appears. Hover your mouse over Manage so you see more options. From there, choose Browse Apps. This opens Slack's app directory for your workspace, which is the easiest place to find and install official integrations. At the top of the directory, there's a search bar. Click into it and type Microsoft Teams. You should see results that include Microsoft Teams Calls, which is the app that bridges Slack with Teams for calling. If you don't see it, double-check your spelling or clear any filters that might be active. Select the Microsoft Teams option, then click Install. Depending on your workspace settings, Slack may open your browser to the Apps page in the Slack app directory. That's normal. On that page, click Add to Slack. If your organization requires approval for new apps, you might see a prompt to request access. Go ahead and submit the request. An admin will approve it and you'll be notified when it's ready. If you have permission to install apps yourself, the process will continue immediately. After the ad completes, Slack confirms that the app has been installed for your workspace. You'll see Microsoft Teams listed under Apps in your sidebar. If you want quick access, you can right-click the app there and choose to pin it so it stays visible. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you're asked to grant permissions or sign in, that's part of connecting the two services so calls can be launched from Slack. If something doesn't appear, refresh Slack or restart the app to load the new integration. And if installation is blocked, reach out to your Slack admin to enable Marketplace apps for your workspace. That's it. You've connected Slack to Microsoft Teams, and you're ready to streamline calls without switching tools. Thanks for watching,